when candles glow and all the world is at its very best. The ponies of Equestria should lock themselves away to shun the moon and wait instead for Sister Sunny Day. Am I so wrong to wish that they would see things like I do? And am I so wrong to think that they might love me too? Why shouldn't they adore me? Is it not within my right? I'll not be overshadowed, mine is not the lesser light. I've waited long enough now for them all to come around, and though the sun may plead and threaten, the moon will stand her ground.